What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Britt Inez, and today it is August 26th, which means I am officially 8 weeks away from my first wellness competition. So it's been a while since I've been on here. So what I want to do in today's video is let you guys know, take you through a little bit how my off season went, let you know how prep is going so far. This prep has been like any other one that I've done yet. And also I'll answer a lot of questions I've been getting since switching from figure to wellness. So the show that I'm getting ready to do in 8 weeks, you guys, is in San Antonio, and I do not have a makeup artist. So each show that I've done so far, I have always, I think except for like the first one, 2009, I've always had a makeup artist to do my makeup day of show. I just really haven't wanted to deal with it, but I don't have one in the area, and the artists that I really do like for stage stuff, they're all based in Houston, and this show being a little bit on the smaller side, I am coming to realize, y'all, that I'm gonna have to do my own stage makeup. So I am gonna be practicing some looks. I might do a YouTube on that. I don't really know, but I'm definitely coming to realize that, yeah, I'm going to probably have to do my own stage makeup for this show, which is no biggie. I mean, that's totally fine, but just add it to the list of things that I'm gonna be practicing so far. So I already have put in the order for my suit, y'all. Yes, and I'm super excited about that. So my last competition that I did, I used a designer based in Seattle, and I'm still gonna be working with her because I think her designs are just that dang on pretty. I want to work with her. So we are talking initial color selection. It's gonna be a totally different look from what I went on stage with last time, and we're getting that going. So probably in the next 2 weeks, or I should say 1 week now, we should be getting started with colors and getting the first sample of my suit developed. So after the last show ended in 2020, we took a relatively long off season, and we went from, I took a break from December 2020 and did not start getting ready until January 2022. Okay, so definitely a full year off. My body needed it. I needed a break from doing the back-to-back shows, and plus I needed to grow. So that time allowed me to do that, and then we got started early in this year bringing body fat down so it wouldn't be such a huge push this time. And I'm so glad that we did that, y'all, because I've done press before where I was running and gunning like 16 weeks out and doing crazy amounts of cardio. My cardio right now it just got bumped up to 30 minutes, which is not a lot at all, y'all. So I'm overall happy with how this season has been going so far. But a few things have definitely been different. So the first thing is food, you guys. So normally during prep, I'm starving. Like, I want to eat meals. I'm counting down the hours to my next meal. But this prep, I've been having a difficult time getting all the food in. I personally think a stress level. So I've been really using a lot of devotion shakes throughout this time just to help get calories in and get all my protein at least in per day, because I cannot not be getting meals in this far out from the show. So these shakes have been coming in super helpful. Some days I do it first thing in the morning. Some days I'm doing them throughout the day. Wherever I need them, that's where I place them. So if you guys want to save on that, make sure you check the description box link below. I love using devotion stuff. You guys have seen me in my Instagram stories cook with it tons of times. So check them out. They do sample packs, and then they also, you can get the full tubs, and you can save with my discount code. So this recipe is super simple, you guys. I just added peanut butter for this and a little bit of water. But on higher carb days, banana in this is amazing. You can also do other fruit as well. So make sure you also check out my Instagram page, because I do have some other shake recipes on there using a lot of their different flavors too. My training totally shifted to being more lower body focused, more lower body dominant. And that has been one of the biggest changes since switching from figure to wellness. So upper body, it's really not a whole lot that we needed to do, but we needed to bring up my legs. We needed to really work on that glute ham tie-in. So I started hitting legs a lot more. And whereas before, when I was training in figure, we touched everything but legs. Primarily, we focused on quads. Since switching, you guys, I'm not going to sit here and say that the training has been easy, because these leg days definitely put me through it, and I'm training legs multiple days a week, 3 to 4 days a week, and I've been doing that since my off season. Okay, but I will say this: for the first time since I started competing, like way back in 2009 when I started in bikini, I feel like my body naturally more wants to fit this division. We're not trying to bring my legs down, or we're not trying to do different contortions with posing to make my glutes not look as big or my legs not look as full with my upper body. Like, it just feels like a much more natural fit. So I would say to anyone out there who isn't feeling like this, and I have chatted with some of my other wellness sisters online about this thing too, if you're feeling like your body's just not really kind of fitting, then it may be a good time for you to consider switching. Overall, you guys, it's been just really cool to me, and I think that's the part of the sport that I really love, and part of this process that I love, just to see how much my body has changed. So I'll kind of show you where I was at when we ended my off season at the start of January, and kind of where I was at when I ended my off season with Figure. And it's like a completely different look that we've been able to create. I've also been spending a lot more time focusing on getting that waist teeny tiny tight. So you guys know I do vacuums. You've seen one of my most popular YouTube videos on stomach vacuums. I will probably do another one to update you, because since then I've gotten so many questions about them, but my days start off with them. It's made a world of difference in terms of how tight my waist is. My waist has never been this tight at this weight. So let me know, y'all, if there are things that you want me to cover as I am leading up to the show for the next 8 weeks. Comment down below. Let me know. I'm going to be dropping videos weekly from here on out the rest of the season, covering a ton of different things: competing, fitness, lifestyle, beauty, and things in between, you guys. So let me know, what are some aspects of prep that you guys want to see the behind the scenes of? Comment down below, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.